Good morning, all. I'm Dr. Gayathri, working as Assistant Professor of Chemistry in SNS College of Engineering. Today, I'm going to share about polyethylene. It is one of the high polymers. That is polyethylene. We already mentioned in the previous video, that is a polyethylene is of two types, that is high density and low density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene is LDPE and high density polyethylene is the HDPE. The low density polyethylene is used for bags, wrappings, etc. The high density polyethylene is used for the plastic bottles, PET bottles, etc. The polyethylene is a light synthetic resin which is made from the polymerization of ethylene. It is a thermoplastic polymer with variable crystalline. The structure and it is extremely large of applications. It is called as polymethylene due to the repeating CH2 group. These are the raw material. The white color beads is the raw material of polyethylene. The polyethylene, it was first synthesized by the German scientist Hans von Pechmann, who prepared it by accident while investigating diazomethane. The polyethylene is easy to distinguish from other plastics because they float in water. And these are the pictorial representation of German scientist and the polyethylene. CH2 double bond CH2. And the first one is the monomer and the second one is the polymer, that is monomer is ethylene and polymer is polyethylene. The types of polyethylene: low density polyethylene, high density polyethylene, linear low density polyethylene, ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. Low density polyethylene, first polyethylene produced. First polyethylene produced is low density polyethylene. As the name implied, it has a lower density compared to higher density polyethylene. Lower density polyethylene has more branching, hence the molecules are less and tightly packed, less crystalline due to the side branches. The low density polyethylene is also frequently used in the consumer packaging, bags, bottles and liners. The high density polyethylene is made from petroleum. It's sometimes called alkane and polythene when used for pipes. The high density polyethylene has little branching, give it stronger intramolecular forces and tensile strength than LDPE. It is also harder and more opaque and can stand higher temperatures. The polyethylene, the linear low density polyethylene, that is LLDPE, is the most flexible type of polyethylene. It is blended from LDPE, where the film has much more flexibility, tensile strength and more comfortability. The LLDPE is used for films that need tremendous amount of strength to absorb impacts without tearing or puncturing. It absorbs more impact without tearing and puncturing. So it is widely used in wide applications are there for a linear low density polyethylene. The polyethylene, that is ultra high molecular weight polyethylene, UHMW, UHMWPE. It is also known as high modulus polyethylene, HMPE, or high performance polyethylene. It is odorless, tasteless and non toxic. So, therefore, it is used in wide varieties. It has extremely long chain, which results in a very tough material with the highest impact strength of any thermoplastic presently made. Polyethylene, that is low density polyethylene, LLDPE, high density polyethylene. The picture represents the density of polyethylene. low, linear low, and high density. Which of the following kind of polyethylene has highest degree of chain branching? Can you suggest the answers, guys? That is LDPE. As compared to low density polyethylene, high density polyethylene is strong. When compared to low density, high density polyethylene is more strong. The polyethylene, the important properties of polyethylene is mechanical and thermal property. It has many properties like chemical, electrical, optical, and thermal properties. Here, first we going to see the mechanical properties. It has low strength, hardness, rigidity, but has highly ductability, and impact strength was as well as low friction. It is strong creep under persistent force. Thermal properties, a commercial grade of medium and high density polyethylene, the melting point is typically in the range of 120 to 180 degrees Celsius. The melting point of LDPE is 105 to 115 degrees Celsius. The temperature vary with the types of polyethylene. Chemical properties, it has many chemical properties. It consists of nonpolar, saturated, high molecular weight hydrocarbons, low moisture absorption, can brittle when exposed to sunlight, but a carbon black is used as a stabilizer. When used stabilizer, it can be withstand for little time, but it burns slowly with a blue flame and yellow tip. It gives of odor of paraffin like smell and resists acid and bases. It cannot be corroded through acid, bases, esters, alcohols, and hydrocarbons. It have limited resistance to aldehydes. It doesn't react with room temperature. These are the best thing in the polyethylenes. It has many chemical properties. So that the polyethylene has many wide varieties of day-to-day appliances. The main thing is that it doesn't react in room temperature. That is the best thing in the polyethylene. It has electrical properties, that is it has good electrical insulator. It offers good tracking resistance. Optical properties, can vary almost clear, milky, opaque or opaque. The three sizes, it doesn't show the ABCD in the picture, and it's slightly opaque and milky opaque, and it is opaque. It is clear. It is available in the clear structure too. These are the main applications like milk carton, bowls, buckets, squeezable waters such as ketchup container, cable jacketing, flexible water pipes. The picture represents the main applications of polyethylene. Plastic bags, food packing made plastics, crats, dustbin, drums, detergent bottle, water pipes, etc. For the recreational products, toys, kitchen accessories, food packaging materials, coating applications, garden products, bulletproof. The UHMB is the bulletproof vest, vehicular armament joint, ligament reconstruction, spinal, and it has many medical applications too. Any doubt, we can clarify through the comments. Thank you all. Have a good day.